Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublet, Illinois, where we're looking at 2021 Quailridge Park Model trailers. I just gave a tour of the 39 AKFFL. This particular one here is called a 39 CBDL. It's unit number 12187. It is clay with white corners, white windows and trim. Good looking trailer. It's a 2021, has a large walk-a-bay, house type rear entry door with the fancy mini blind in it. Got your auxiliary air conditioner. You got a spigot, outside spigot, frost free outside spigot. That's standard on a Quailridge. Have auxiliary air conditioner up in the loft area. It's a triple axle. It's 14.5 foot tall. Let's go on in and have a look around. Again, this one's available for sale. Got any questions, call Kelly or message me. Going on in, one thing I like about this trailer, and what I think sells a lot of it, it seems to have about the most cabinets of any trailer. A lot of cabinets in it. Cabinets. I put stainless appliances in this one, so that means it has a 30-inch convection microwave. It also has a 30-inch range. Stainless kitchen sink with the lifetime warranty. Single lever faucet with pull-out sprayer. 56,000 BTU stand-up furnace. Table and 4 chairs. There is actually storage under the chairs. We have linoleum on the entire main floor with carpet in the loft and master bedroom only. Let's go back out and finish our tour of the living room. We have a end table and lamp, coffee table, a sleeper sectional sofa, or pit group, whatever you care to call it. Trapezoid window, ceiling fan overhead, room for pretty much any size TV you would like. Footstool, footrest I should say. Got the fireplace going. I don't know if you can see it, but anyhow, I've seen people put 75-inch TVs up on these and they fit just fine. I don't know if I'd put one that big. This is butter rum cabinetry. Let's go in the bathroom next. The kitchen is great. There's your kitchen cabinets, plus you have the U-shaped wraparound cabinets behind me. There is storage under the stairs, as always. This has the neo-angle shower, which lets it have an additional closet in the bathroom. I ordered it this way. It's shower only, but you also get this extra cabinet in here for storage. It makes this a super duper trailer with even more cabinets than anything else. The threshold is low. It's about a 5-inch threshold perhaps. Window, porcelain toilet, nice medicine cabinet, GFI outlet, storage underneath. Heading on into the bedroom. Again, this is butter rum, solid doors, mini blind inside the window, inside the door rather. Oop, there we go. See out? Not see out. Okay. We'll let the people see in. You have your standard Quailridge wardrobe. 8 drawers and 4 doors. Lights in the closet. Queen bed. It's a freestanding queen, so you can move it wherever you want. Turn on the closet light. There you go. See what you're looking at. Over here, all the drawer guides are ball bearing full extension drawer guides. So you can load up your drawers and have access to all of them. Again, this has the nice carpet on your feet in the bedroom. But once you clear the bedroom, there you are. Linoleum. Let's head for the loft. Show you what the loft looks like. Heading upstairs into the loft. This is a big loft. It covers about 2/3 of the trailer. So it's one of our biggest loft models. It's got a small entertainment center for the TV. It's got some storage up here. And again, it has the auxiliary air conditioner, which will keep your guests cool while they're sleeping. They have their own air conditioner when they're up here. That's an auxiliary. That's in addition. That's in addition to the central air that's provided. Okay, so heading on down. Show you around a little bit, but we're pretty much through with this video. Hope I showed you around well. If you leave me some good comments, I'll keep making more videos. Okay, if you got any questions or want to purchase, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. This is the 2021 Quailridge Loft 39CBDL number 12187. Have a great day.